What's good, everybody? Welcome to this Friday Live by the Hood. This is our Friday show. We come to you to talk to the community, have a conversation, engage. This is a very special Friday. I see folks are coming in now, so give a little bit of time for the folks to come in and join us because this is going to be an amazing episode. I could tell you that right now because if nothing else, I'm excited. So I'm gonna be running my mouth. But Jose is in the building. Jose, what's up, brother?
What's up, Jose?
Jose, Jose checking in. What's good, Jose? How you making out, man? And listen, for those that have never seen this show before, this is our Friday show. So when we come here, we talk about some of the things that happen in the course of the week, any hot stories, any questions we get from the community. We try to have a little engagement there. But this is a very special show because we are joined by the chart god herself, the legend in the game. We got Delanshia-Hamilton in the building. Lance, what's going on?
What's up, man? Glad to be here. I
Yeah,
like sitting down with y'all, man. It's all
Listen,
love about the hood.
I missed I missed the last show that we had. I was in Houston at
Yeah.
the time, and the damn electrical storm was going nuts down there. I thought I was gonna get swept away like the damn like we was in the Wizard of Oz. I thought I was gonna get swept away. I was like, oh hell.
listen. This is a special episode for a lot of reasons. One, like I said, we're joined with Lance. We partnered with Lance to create a new product, right? So we're announcing it for the first time right now, and actually, it just dropped at 7 o'clock. So it's only been out for 6
5 minutes.
minutes. Yeah, 5 6 minutes, whatever it is. We have an intro to charting, which is taught primarily by Lance, and it's an amazing product for the folks that maybe have no experience in terms of learning how to use a chart, how to look at a chart to find an entry point. It it's what you need, right?
Mhm.
So, you can get it right at buytheuniversity.com. If anybody watching this is an affiliate, same rules apply for that. So, you have your affiliate link and you can share it. But that course is phenomenal, right? Because Lance takes you from the very beginning, is from someone who's never seen a chart, doesn't understand what it is that's on a chart, and then shows you how to set up your chart. So it's very powerful and it's literally just released less than 10 minutes ago. So I'm excited about that, man. Core, what you think about this, bro?
I think that you should hop right on it, like because I'm, personally, I'm not a chart person, but as I could be, not because I don't want to be, but
Yeah.
because I got some issues going on, some mental issues, some blockages going on. I got to work on. So once I can get those blockages out of the way, I'm gonna be, I'm gonna be a chart priest. I can't be a chart god. I'm gonna be a chart priest.
Listen.
Once I get
Anyone who's already in our group, they already know how much of a genius that
Nah,
Lance is.
sure.
Listen, because her thread is the most popping thread that we got, man. Like the whole bag challenge, and as y'all can see in the title, I call it HB challenge because I didn't want the algos messing with us. But
Yeah.
y'all already know how Lance gives it up. So if nothing else, y'all should go take a look. You can go to bodyhooduniversity.com. You can take a look at it. It's right there. As soon as you go on there, it's intro to charting. It's a powerful course. And if you're someone who wants to like start to learn that part of investing, please go take a look at that. Please go take a look at that. But Lance, like, how do you feel like, getting those bars off? Because here's what I will say, Rex, before you even say anything. It includes videos, right? But outside of the videos, you get a full ebook. So it's an ebook that you can use to go along with the videos as well as audio. So
Mhm.
you can listen
And a
to it
resource guide to help you along in your
and
journey.
a resource guide with links and things you can use to learn more. So the thing about it is no matter how you learn, whether visual, audio, all of that is available to you. And the book itself is worth the cost of the course. But outside of that, you also get the videos to accompany it as well as the audio. So it's a real powerful course. But Lance, how do you feel about getting those bars off? Because I know sometimes when you have that information, you just want to get it out and get it in
Oh
writing.
yeah.
How do you feel about it?
Oh yeah. I think it was really dope how we all came together and put it together because it's different in how it's presented, at least the video format. So I think it was really cool to have you guys throwing comments and questions my way to kind of, I feel like help keep me fresh. So it's not like just me talking to a wall. You know what I'm saying? So it's almost like we were all sitting in a room teaching people.
Mhm.
So it had that element. So I think it was really cool. And I think it's really something that, people are going to enjoy, because the questions that you guys were asking, I'm pretty sure that, people watching will have some of those same questions.
Yeah, I agree, and that's kind of why we do it that way, right? So, and if anybody's taking our intro courses, it's kind of like that, but it's all three of us. And we do it that way because we realize that helps people learn. Like that's kind of the feedback we've gotten from the intro.
Mhm.
Like I like this because it helps people learn. So, I think it's dope overall, man. I'm just so excited about it. I'm excited to do a project with you. You know, Lance, you one
Oh
of my
yeah.
favorite people. And
yeah.
and like when it comes to you the chart guy. We've proclaimed you the chart guy. So it is what it is. Like, Don is in the building. We can start. Don, what's up,
Yeah,
Don?
the show has officially started.
Oh, what's up? Oh,
Yeah, what's going on, Omar?
how you, brother? Mike's in the building. What's up, Mike?
What's going
Andrea's
on?
here. Andrea says pin strong. Folks checking in about that
Pin
HP,
strong.
that holdback
Listen.
challenge.
Listen, they out there, with the big ballers. It's Super Bowl weekend, so
That's right. They working. They definitely working. Mia, how are you? Thank you for
what's going on,
tuning in.
man?
Adrian, as always, we appreciate you, Adrian. Hey, Nairobi. Nairobi, what's going on, Nairobi? Listen, man, you already know what's about to go down with that new course. Yes, it is. Yes, it is indeed.
Go down.
This new course is amazing. And I know a lot of people will like it because that's the one thing about investing. A lot of people are scared of those charts.
Yeah.
And they're scared of the charts because they watch TV, they watch CNBC, and they like see these charts and things, and they get. But you take it all the way back from the beginning, like that right there is powerful.
Mm-hmm.
It's powerful.
People like to make it look a lot more complicated than it is, and it's not nearly as complicated as people think it is.
Mm-hmm.
So
I shouldn't be laughing, but her profile picture.
Yo, that's why I left it up there. That's the most amazing profile picture I've ever seen because he's an absolute legend.
Yeah,
and she put the kufi on him. Like, listen,
kufi on him.
that's the greatest profile photo I've ever seen. So, Courtney, we appreciate you.
This is amazing.
Omar said he need him a whole bag. Yeah,
Hey,
man. Listen, go to Body Hill University. We got the whole bags all week.
All he gotta do is come get him some.
What's up, Fred?
Fred, how are you, brother?
Fred.
Key, what's going on? But yeah, Lance, you were saying that like they try to make it seem complicated, but if you take a step back, then it is easily able to understand that, right?
Right. And you can find your own style. There's when it comes to charts, there's no one way. There's no one right way to do it. You just find what works for you. Some people, you'll look at their charts and they'll have 45 indicators on the chart, and I'm like, if that works for you, that's good. But, some people, charts completely naked. They just looking at the candles and trading based off that. So just find where you fit in between those two extremes.
This past week, I saw a guy who's $1 million trader. He has 2 indicators. And I was sitting there like, wow. But, like you said, you got to find what works for you.
Yeah, but my thing is, he know how to work those indicators. He know, my thing is, he's probably seen every gyration and formation of those 2 indicators that he could possibly see. Right. And so that's exactly how he makes his money.
No, I understand that. And sometimes we tend to overcomplicate things anyway as humans. That's just what we do. Jamal, what's going on? What's going on, Terry? Thank you for checking in. And Courtney got me dying, yo. He said definitely a legend. It's Black History Month.
Yeah.
We definitely got to acknowledge. Listen, you just gave me a post, man. We gotta acknowledge him for Black History Month. So, Courtney, I appreciate that. As a matter of fact, I might go to your page and steal your profile pic. But I'm gonna tag you though, Courtney. I'm just letting you know right now. You know what I'm saying? Patricia, what's going on?
Hey, what's up, Patricia?
Adrian, I hope we provide value from you. See, the idea is for you to make enough money so you never coming out of pocket. You know what I mean?
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like, what's up, Sean? I see the chart guy giving out the code to the Matrix.
Yeah.
Dawn, what's going on, Dawn? Rochelle checking in. Listen, thank you for everybody for checking in with us. And for those just checking in, the announcement we have a brand new course. It's at Body Hill University, which is intro, right? So it's an intro to charting, and it's all about finding that right point in terms of entering, and this is with your trading. So this is not investment advice. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. But this course is phenomenal. It's, you know, as the rappers say when the new album comes out, like I feel like this is my best body of work.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like
All facts.
so so please go check it out, man. Support what we got going on. Lance is the primary instructor in this course, and she is giving away a lot of secrets. She's telling, you know, a little bit about her story as a trader and her journey. So it's well worth it. If you guys listen, bottom line is you probably made enough money off the whole bag challenge to buy the course anyway, because you know,
I mean,
yeah, I mean, like Lance
listen.
Lance throws out bags every week. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is, man. Listen, we appreciate that, all the love we get. Sean checking in. Sean, what's up, brother? And you know, Don, we appreciate you, Don.
He new to the Bottom Hood University. So Flum, you know what I mean?
Flem was good. Oh, that's Flem from Broad Alney.
That's B&O.
That's B&O Flem. Okay. I got you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know, I remember. I'm not gonna tell you why I remember that. You know, from a conversation on another show.
Yeah,
But
from last, yeah.
Yeah. Ken, what's going on, Ken? So, listen, the whole bag challenge is the business.
The business.
Listen, it's official.
That.
It's official. For those that aren't in By the Hood University, another thing I want to mention is if you get this course, that will get you entry into By the Hood University. Once you're in By the Hood University, we have what's called the whole bag challenge that, you know, Lance is responsible for. And Lance, I want you to give us a little bit of rundown of how you came up with that idea. Like, what prompted you to start even like studying that in terms of like, you know, clothes? Like, what was it that drew you to this like whole bag challenge? Give us a little bit of background about that.
So my personality is kind of scientific in how I am kind of compelled to search for information. So it kind of started with a question like, I wonder if there's a way for me to capture some of these moves that happen overnight. And so this is literally like 2+ years in the making, where I've been trying to find some sort of consistency in being able to position at the end of the day and cash out either the next morning or at some point during that day, or maybe, you know, sometimes a few days later. But the basic premise is to position at the end of the day and cash out the next morning. And so, like I said, 2 years in the making. I thought I had one, you know, about a year ago, and I was like, man, this is good. We had a good run, and then all of a sudden we hit a brick wall, and it was just like, all right, so I got to go back to the drawing board and start all over again. So it's like a scientific experiment, really. And you know, talking to your homies and stuff like that, we all know what a hoe bag is, you know, having jokes about a hoe bag and stuff like that. And I was just like, man, that would be dope to just call this a hoe bag strategy, because it's designed for me to get my bags overnight, do my business overnight. And you know, so yeah, that's how it came to be. And I was just like, man, if people if they don't mess with the name, then, you know, but whatever.
Oh, listen, that's amazing. That's part of what draws people in. They because they laugh, like, you know.
Right.
But Lance is like, yo, you like the Kobe Bryant of trading, yo. Like her scientific and study and the reps that she puts in is second to none. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're second to none. And she actually talks about that during the course, because and I'm not trying to give all the course, but one of the things she talks about is studying, but not only studying what others are doing, but studying like what you do, your trades. Go back and see where you went wrong, right? Go back and see what worked for you. So a lot of times we only go back and see where we messed up, but we don't even go back and check the good stuff. Like, what are you doing right? Right. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's important. And you know.
Yeah, definitely good to have that balance, because you don't want to get caught up in the bad stuff and then taking ownership and really, you know, owning that shit. Like, I'm just a bad trader because look at all these losing trades. So it's good to have a balance to go back to those trades and be like, this is what I did really well. Let me focus on that. Let me take note of that, so that moving forward, I know this is what I should keep doing. But on the other side of the scale, I know what I should not continue to do moving forward. Otherwise, it won't work out well for me. So got to be balanced, in my opinion, when it comes to trading and when it comes to, you know, looking back. You know, some people say don't look back, but for me, I got to look back, because I got to I gotta know history.
Yeah.
History I learned from my historical performance. So
It's like game
it's
tape.
just
It's
the
like game tape.
mindset that yes, the mindset that you take with looking back. Are you owning some shit that you shouldn't be owning when you're looking back, or are you looking back with the purpose of, okay, I'm going for this purpose to learn something. I'm gonna take those jewels and I'm gonna move forward. You know what I'm saying?
Mhm.
So it's all about the mindset that you have when you're looking back.
Yeah, good stuff there. Listen, and for those just tuning in, because people are still coming in, I see on Facebook as well as YouTube. First of all, thank you. Our special announcement is we have a new course that we partner with Lance, Intro to Charting, and you can find it at By the Hood University. If any of you guys watching are an affiliate, we pay out 50% on everything from our affiliate, so you guys have access to that course as well. So go ahead and run and make some money with it. But we also want to give away a couple courses tonight, just to celebrate this
Oh
this,
yeah.
this amazing body of work.
Hold on, before we do that, Jim,
Yes,
how
sir.
was the week in the market?
Oh my God! Listen, all right, let me calm down first.
Yeah, right.
Um,
I just wanted to make sure.
listen, because I don't want to come off as braggadocious, show, but January is probably my greatest month I've ever had in my life in overall income. So
Mhm.
I sold the condo. I sold the rehab condo. In the market, I killed. I killed in the market. Like I had income from so many places, but a lot of it, yeah, honestly, a lot of it is from the whole bag challenge. A lot of it is from the MDC, which we do Sunday. So
Yep.
we're not hiding anything. All the
Mhm.
game and all the information that we use, we're putting out there to the folks. So if you're in By the Hood University, you see what we do on Sunday mornings, and we go
Yep.
all in with that. So you see the whole bag challenge on a daily basis. So it's not like I'm hiding anything. I'm just saying, like, I'm gonna calm down because, and I know Corey put me on the spot for that reason because me and him have already talked about it. Listen, listen. I could give you one company. Tilray literally cashed me out like 4 times. Like Tilray, like that's a personal right now. Like, you know what I'm saying? You know how you meet a young lady and y'all talking, but y'all ain't really cool. You know what I'm saying? Y'all just kicking it. Then you start to take it personal. I'm trying to take Tilray personal now. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Catch your feelings.
yeah, like yeah, I caught feelings for Tilray right now, man. Like, cause it cashed me out 4 times, man. Like, that's Bay. Tilray is Bay right now. So between Tilray, all the MDC plays, you guys know what those are. All of them
Yeah.
cashed out. And the crazy part is, it's not just the main play we went with. Every play cashed out from the MDC this past week. I cashed out on Google, which was my pick. Corey's pick was Plug. Cashed out on that. Cashed out on the main pick, which was Tones.
ARTC.
ARTC. Spoon had a pick. Jay had a pick. The Visa play. Everybody knows the Visa play we talked about. Visa's been going bonkers this week. So the bottom line is, man, life is good right now, and that's why I'm excited about that. Now we got the new chorus, man. I'll put you on the spot though, Corey. How about you, man?
Man, listen. I smacked off of 300% 3 times this week off of the plays.
Dang.
And listen, I smacked out on PayPal extra heavy, and I mean extra heavy.
Man, PayPal just went crazy.
Yo, listen, I called PayPal for our private group on Friday when it was at 2:32,
Mm-hmm.
and I said PayPal about to do that joint about to run like Bo Jackson, and that joint went shooting.
Mm-hmm.
So I clapped out on Disney extra heavy. That's another one I called for our private group. I clapped out on Disney 3 times this week, once for 100% and once for 300%, and I'm still holding the 190 for earnings next week. I bought 6 contracts for Disney.
But I think that's the illest part. We're clapping out on the same companies. Like, we're not even trading a bunch of stuff. Like, I clapped on Google multiple times, right?
Yeah.
Tilray is Bay. Like, these are the same companies, and we just like.
I did the ARTC.
Mm-hmm.
I did, for the challenge. I clapped out on Tilray because Lance gave it to us in the whole bag challenge.
Mm-hmm.
So like, I can't lie. Like, personally, and then the crazy part is I don't have to do all the work. All I have to do is go check behind. You know what I mean? Like, they make a play. It takes me a minute or two to go check behind it and do a little quick due diligence to make sure I'm not putting my money in some weird ass place.
Right.
And then once I do the quick like for the Disney play, I didn't have to do any due diligence because I already knew what was about to pop because I did because that's one of the companies I trade on a regular basis. I trade Visa on a regular basis. I got Visa Leaps, so I didn't even have to get into a new position with Visa. I'm just watching my old position go crazy.
Listen,
I got I hit on silver this week. I smacked on silver on Monday.
Oh, I forgot about that one. So did I, because we were already sitting on Leaps because of Antonio told us in January to grab some.
Yeah,
See, this is the thing, real quick. I don't think people recognize like what we're building within that By the Hood University. The team is strong.
It's amazing.
We got multiple chart guys. We got Lance in there. Antonio is in there. Jay is in there. Like Tone is in there. Spoon is in there. Like David is in there. You know what I'm saying? Diamond Dave is in there too. Like people don't recognize the team that's being built and the information that they're getting. And the thing is, once you get one course, you're in. We're not even like charging a monthly. And I'm gonna tell you to be completely honest. There are a lot of folks that hate what we do because we don't charge.
Yeah.
Like Corey will tell you, we get phone calls and emails and text messages that people are getting pissed because they feel like we're giving too much away. Like they literally tell us we're giving too much away. But my thing is, I think in abundance. So listen, let everybody I want everybody to eat. That's the crazy part. That's the craziest part.
How does somebody else making money it hurts you making money? That doesn't make any sense. The more money that people have, the more money that people can spend. That's dumb. That's just absolutely stupid. And so, I don't fight with people when they got ideas, good or bad, because I can't. Whatever works for you, gotta work for you. If you like it, I love it. Not really, but I'm gonna say it that way anyway. But,
listen.
I don't. If you think that me getting money is going to stop you from getting money, that's a you problem. But don't get in my way. I'm gonna run you over because I'm a Mack truck. You know what I mean? If you stand in my way.
But here's the thing: there's other organizations, there's marketers that always hit us up every week and talk about what we do. But it's fine though, because here's the thing: when you continue to do good work, you never know who's paying attention. I had some phone calls this week that people that at levels that people wouldn't believe, and it's all because of the work we're doing. So people are recognizing. On the other hand, but the team that we're building within the university is strong and is in multiple asset classes. I didn't even mention Malik, who's one of the top real estate gurus. We got Jazz, real estate beast. You know what I'm saying? A. Lee is a real estate beast.
Yep. That's not
Dave Foster.
We ain't even talk about what Leslie's doing on the other side, where she's giving us the reports that where you could build a long-term portfolio.
Listen.
She showed a small part of her portfolio today where none of those companies was up less than 70%.
Listen, I didn't even get to that. I told Les today, I said, yo, you can do no wrong in my eyes. She gave me a play. I'll put it out there because, it was Ocugen, right? It was a biomedical company. I'm up damn near like, I don't even know, like 1,000% or something. She gave me that play in a report in beginning of January.
Yeah.
And you guys can go check it out. It's not investment advice. It's because it already ran at this point, and who knows how much more it will grow. Because I got my initial bread out, and I'm gonna let him run. But it's Ocugen. I got that from her, and it's like the team we got.
Listen, she
is absolutely insane.
It was 3 months ago.
But I ain't gonna pull out her plays out there because y'all gotta cop her report. Y'all gotta cop her report. I just want the folks to recognize
this week. Two of the ones that ran this week are Zom and Ocugen. We've been sitting in those for months because of her reports. You know what I mean? And so that's what I'm saying. Like it does.
Listen,
we sharing information. Everybody gets to eat.
And listen, but the team is absolutely. Listen, look at Dawn. Dawn is kicking us right now. Dawn sells hotels and islands for Christ's sake. She's in our community. Like, these are the kind of folks that we have with us, man. So it's like everybody's fly and everybody is making it now. Like I put a video up this week in the Precious Metals that I may affect me from not even getting it, but I don't care. Like you know what I'm saying? Like I don't care. There are folks that got mad at that. Because I said, yo, I'm telling everybody, I'm giving all the secrets away. This is how you make a quick bag. Like,
and that was in the precious metal space.
Yeah, whole other space. Like, I'm just gonna give it away. This is what other cultures do.
Yeah.
And for those that saw that Precious Metals video, please believe, like when I talk about the sense of urgency, it's for a reason. All those other folks, they be lining up. There are cats that pay to try to put bots on there to grab them all up. Because if you get supply and demand. You grab them all, what happens to the value of it? So I'm putting it out there to our folks, right? I've never had a group of folks that were into that space like that I could share it with. But now that we've built one, and we built this, believe you, there's nobody on the market with a precious metals course. Nobody.
Right.
Like there's nothing, not in our culture. So we kind of built that little community. So I want to put that out there so you can make a quick buck. Like, go get the money. And Matt, yeah, everybody loves giveaways. Yes, we will have a giveaway.
Yeah.
Patricia, facts. I appreciate that. I thought these hoes wasn't loyal until the chart guide introduces the till. Yo, shout out to Sean. That's my little cousin. Listen, I'm gonna tell you. Listen, Sean is my little cousin. But here's what's crazy about it. Sean don't even mess with social media. But he heard about what we were doing in the group that he created a Facebook page just to get in the group. Like he don't like you can see he only got his picture up there. He literally just created a profile page. And the funny thing is there's multiple people who have done that, created a Facebook page just to get in the group. So that shows you what we're doing. You know what I'm saying? Adrian, tell them to mind their damn business. We will, man.
Yeah, we always
keep putting in the work. Mark, you already know we are, bro. Rich, appreciate you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So folks are checking in. Yeah. See, Rich, you giving away her. Listen, we're gonna stop giving away her plays though, because she got all kinds of bread out there. I got play too. Leslie, the whole team is strong, yo.
Yeah, man. How you figure that your team can affect our cream? Yo, it's crazy. Like we really be out here doing the work because it feels good to see Black people succeed.
Mm-hmm.
Like selfishly, I want to see Black people succeed. It makes me feel good.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
I'm doing it like, people shouldn't be selfish. I'm gonna be selfish about that. It makes me feel good to see other Black people succeed.
As it should, bro. As it should, bro.
Yo, what's going on, Ishmael? Yo,
Ishmael checking in.
Yo, Ish, that's my man. Also, from my man got a fitness. He does fitness, and he also does he got a t-shirt line called Pure Impact. Sometimes you'll see me on here with the shirt, the Pure Impact shirt.
Mm-hmm.
That's Ish right there.
Okay, salute to Ish, man. Like, Ish, if you got a website or something, put it in there. We like to support all Black-owned business. Anybody that got a business, put it in the comment section because this video will live on Facebook and YouTube, and we want to make sure we send folks to you. But Lance, like, this is about you tonight, man, because you put that work in. I told you, like, Lance is like Kobe, yo. Like, her work ethic is second to none. Her studying of the game is second to none, and if you don't have any experience with charting, make sure you take a look at the course. It's like I said, it just went live literally at 7 p.m. as we were coming on. We hit the button to make it live. So it's a brand new course. And if you want to get into Bada Hill University and you're not there, this course will also get you entry there. If you are an affiliate, same rules apply. 50% of that, with your own affiliate link, send it out to your folks. So it's a whole other way for you to get bread. And I want to bring it up too, because there's affiliates out here that are eating, yo. Like,
yeah,
we got affiliates. We got some affiliates that's making thousands of dollars a week, which is to me is dope because that's a whole new revenue stream, and you can go ahead and take that money to put it in the market. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. You don't got to stop nothing you doing to make money with us. That's the other thing. If you want to stop what you're doing and come make money with us, great. If you don't want to, better. Keep making it where you at, and then still come get some bread with us.
Listen, Adrian, whatever help you need, make sure you reach out. Because like we want to make sure everybody is set up. So as you go through your studies and whatever help you need with anything, just please let us know.
Yeah, put it in the group. Listen, or hit us in the inbox.
Absolutely, and we appreciate you as well.
Yeah, sure.
Joy, you talk. I mean, I ain't trying to put your business out there. I don't know if you said me in reference to like how you be killing the affiliate game, because I'm not gonna put your business out there. If you want to put it out there, Joy, that's on you. I'm not, but I ain't gonna put your business out there though. No, but listen though, we want to give away a couple of these courses, man, because also, and if you happen to win one of these courses, only thing that I would ask is that you leave us a rating, hopefully a good rating. And share it with some others. But we want to give away a couple courses because that's what we do. We like to do giveaways. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, though, the chart guide has some trivia. You want to throw some trivia out there and see if the folks can get it to and whoever gets the answer out here first, if you get the correct answer, that is, because I don't even know what the questions are. Like, the chart trivia.
We ask beforehand because we ain't want to. We we want to spoil it.
What's going on? Thank you for checking in, man. Hey, that helps the algos. If you just check in, we appreciate that. Come get this bread laid freely. I heard that.
Right.
Joy said, I don't care.
Yeah, right.
All right, y'all. So Joy is killing the affiliate game, so she won't put it out there. But no. But go ahead, Chuck. You said you got some trivia, right? So it's on you.
Yeah. Should I start with something easy?
No.
Let's start with something. You want? Well, no, nothing easy.
You want to start?
All right. Okay, let's see.
First one to answer gets a free course. All you gotta do is answer. Once we declare you a winner, then like I said, we got that. So,
all right. Okay. So,
what's up, bro?
Here's one.
Okay.
This investor made a name for himself by paying major investment banks for inside tips on upcoming takeover deals. He is said to be the inspiration for the character Gordon Gekko.
Ooh.
I know that one. I want to answer, but so for those who don't know, this investor is supposed to be the inspiration behind Gordon Gekko, and he paid banks for inside information on investment deals. What's his name? Listen, the first person to put that in the comment section will get a free course. You know what I'm saying? So, but while you guys think about that, I want to put this on here: extremepureimpact.com. You know what I'm saying? So Ishmael, we appreciate you too, bro. You know what I'm saying? Very useful tag off from your social media. Listen, man, that's what we want to do. We want to help everybody at every generation, man. So extremepureimpact.com for the folks. Please check out his website. This is a brother. That's his business. Anybody else got their business website? Put it in the comments. We will show. But the question on the table is this investor or trader, right? Go ahead, Corey.
Gekko in the movie. Who was the inspiration? What was the man's real name?
Dahlia seems stumped, right? Somebody got to know it. Like, see,
come get this free course.
Crazy. Like I said, I didn't.
Michael Ovitz.
No, that's not who I was saying. You got one part. You know what I'm saying? But that's not the. No, I'm gonna put it this way. Don, no, close, but no.
Bud Fox. I like that.
Said Bud Fox.
I like that. Edelman.
Ivan who? Cal Icon. Somebody tried to piggyback, say Carl Icon. Edelman. This is funny. We're gonna get a bunch of names out here, but this is the funniest one though. Bud Fox. Carl. I got no idea.
Milking.
See, what people are doing is they're Googling
there you go.
Who's the inspiration?
Let's
see. I'm just gonna make sure I put the ball up there.
Hold on. Who was the first person to give the Boski answer?
Courtney was first I saw, but
yep, it was Courtney.
Yep. Oh, the person with the with the greatest picture ever.
Boski. So now we got a bunch of but you got it right though. Courtney was the first one. So Courtney, here's what I'll say. Shoot us an email buythehoodllc@gmail.com. And but it was a good answer too though. Ivan Boski. We got a bunch of them up here. But here's another answer that's a good answer too. Milken too, because Michael Milken, who went to the University of Penn, he was also half of the inspiration, but most of it was a combination of Boski and Milken. But Boski was first given by Courtney. Interesting story about Michael Milken, right? I met Michael Milken before at a speaking engagement, and this guy is a billionaire. My man did prison time, still came out and still got billions. But what was interesting is something he told me. He told me that his college roommate is homeless. Right. So I'm like, damn. So he was telling me this whole story. But the point of his story was they went to the same school. They actually lived in the same dorm and all that. But decisions is what led him to being a billionaire. And a guy who went to school with him sitting in the same dorm is homeless. And that has nothing to do with this show. But, I figured I'd bring that up. It reminded me of Boski.
Yeah.
So we got a lot of Boskis, Paul Jones, but Courtney got it though. Salute to Courtney. Courtney, don't forget to send that email. Fatima, thank you for checking in. A little late, but at least you got it right. So
right. Nothing wrong with that.
I never seen no. Listen, I appreciate your honesty.
I ain't mad at that.
Go watch the movie though. It's a classic movie.
Yeah,
If nothing else, and shout out to our brother Akil who's in here too. Because Akil, myself, and Corey did a whole video, like going over Wall Street, which was interesting because one of the things that's funny about it is they were using fractions back then. A lot of y'all don't know how lucky you got it. You know what I'm saying? I almost said Buffett. Congrats. I'm not going to forget. Don't forget because you will get a free charting course. By the Hood LLC at gmail.com. So please don't forget. He said I googled. That's hilarious. So that's one course. We got a couple more we want to give away. More trivia for you. So I know y'all gonna get your Googles ready. But chart guy, what is the next question we got for the folks?
All right. So this set of regulations were put in place to require companies to adopt stronger internal audit practices, closing loopholes that allowed companies to defraud investors. It came to be after a string of corporate scandals in the early 2000s.
I know what that is.
Damn, Kill. I never thought about that. Is that what a limousine with Gecko and Bullfox comment on the homeless guy comes from? Yo, a funny thing is, I never tied them two things together. See, this is what happens when you got a Kill's a professor, by the way. So you got professors who know how to put those things together. So first answer we got is FINRA from Cajon Vicks.
Nope.
SEC reports. We got SOX.
That's it.
There we go.
SOX.
Mia, you got it, Mia. And I know Mia won't forget. Mia, shoot an email. You're the first person with it. Yeah. Shoot an email.
Dodd-Frank was in 2008. Dodd-Frank was 2008. SOX.
Yeah. So Mac, so Mia, shoot us an email by the Hood LLC, or you can inbox me, Mia. So either way, we're going to make sure we get you that new course that just dropped this evening. Fire course. So I'm just going to put everybody's, Dodd-Frank Act.
Yeah, Dodd-Frank.
SEC regulars. Yeah, that was definitely later. We went way back in Sarbanes-Oxley. That's another.
She said I didn't study for the
stats. Congrats, Mia. Congrats. You got the new course. It's on us. Don't even worry about it. So let's give away one more.
Google fingers ready. One more game.
Get your Google fingers ready, and it's on the chart guide to answer the question. So remember, this is the last course we get away for free. So if you guys want to try this course for free, here's the last chance. So first to answer. Rich said y'all cheaters.
All right.
Oh man. Okay, let's go.
Okay. During this incident, a former NYSE president embezzled nearly $1 million from his gratuity fund. This gave birth to the SEC. So what was the name of the incident?
Incident that gave birth to the SEC.
Yep.
Oh man. I'm stumped on this one. I actually knew the other two.
What incident gave birth to the SEC? My man took a $1 million. We call it a gratuity fund. And ran off on the plug twice.
Oh man.
He ran off on the plug twice. See, that catch is throwing stuff out there, Emron.
That was a
Rochelle said it's called stealing.
Yeah. The SEC been around since the 1920s. Like the SEC is not a young entity,
right?
So this happened in the 1920s.
Well, Dion has an answer. Is Pioneers financial fraud?
No.
Nope.
So don't name nothing that happened recently. The SEC was created in the 1920s.
Yeah,
Mia, you already won, Mia.
She said she want two of them.
The great crash. No. Insider trading. No, I like y'all answers though. I like y'all throwing stuff out there.
No, what was the event name? What was the event? I'm naming people. What was the event name?
Yo, Rochelle answer still got me dying. Shit, it's called stealing. Oh man, that's hilarious. What was the event name that gave birth to the SEC, the Security and Exchange Commission? Oh, somebody
Nah,
said
it wasn't
World War
World
One. Oh man.
1929.
Nah, it wasn't a stock crash.
Nope. Nope.
All right, you might have to do something less hard because they
I
Google.
mean, listen, they can't get their Googles on the Great Depression. No, a lot of that stuff, the 1929 and the Great Depression, that gave birth to these bankers. But
Black Thursday, the first Black Thursday, the New Deal. No, it wasn't the New Deal. The Exchange Act.
I'm gonna give y'all the answer.
All right,
The
so we're gonna come
answer-
up with a new question. What's the
The
answer?
answer is the Whitney scandal.
It's called the Whitney scandal. That
Yeah.
J.P. Morgan meeting. Yeah, I know he's talking about though. That's the Jekyll Island meeting. That's the Jekyll Island meeting he's talking about, but that's not it. That's not it.
All
Though.
right,
All
I'm
right,
gonna give you
another
I'm gonna
question.
give y'all an easier one.
Okay.
All right. This famous TV personality was sentenced to 5 months in federal prison for illegal insider trading in a biotech company, M-Clone.
Oh man, I know this one right away.
Mm.
She get high as hell on TV.
See, come on, Cora. Come on, man. You chill. Chill, man. Chill.
You got the first right answer. The first right answer was Felicia. This is Martha.
Yeah, Martha Stewart.
And Felicia was the first one I saw
All
with
right.
it.
So Felicia got the answer, which is Martha Stewart. So Felicia, either inbox myself or Corey or shoot us an email at bodyhoodllc@gmail.com and we will get you this new course. So Felicia, Mia, and Courtney, you guys have won the 3 free courses we're giving away. Everybody else, listen, you still can go get the course. It's an amazing course. It's packed with videos, audio. It's an ebook that comes with it. And if you have no experience charting, if you have the resource guide is also fire too, because the resource guide, Lance is giving you some of the websites that she uses to do her due diligence when it comes to trading. So you're getting all kind of insider secrets when you get this course. So if you guys want to check it out, make sure you go bodyhooduniversity.com. It's the first thing up there. Intro to price action and charting. As a matter of fact, let me see if I can pull it up.
Yeah, the Secret Fed Reserve meeting it's a book called The Creature from Jekyll Island, Kamani. And that's Kamani. If you need to read that book, it will change your whole thinking about how the government is running, who actually runs the government.
Yeah. So as a matter of fact, hold up. Let me take this down real quick so I can show you guys. Wow, everybody got Martha Stewart, but she was on it first. Let me go back up and pull this down. But here is what you guys can see. As a matter of fact, let me put it on the full screen. So here's what the course looks like. It's Intro to Interpreting Price Action and Charting. Like I said, it's 129, but it goes over candlesticks, volume, price action, trend lines, psychology of trading, and it's 9 videos, 9 audio files, an ebook, and a resource guide. So you get everything in here that will get you right on your way to learning how to trade and also chart.
Yeah, good foundation.
It's a good foundation for you. Like,
yeah,
man, it's everything. So I want to make sure you guys go check that out. But yeah, so let's see what other kind of comments we got here.
Yep, it's only 129.
Yeah, that's it. And we, like I said, one thing about us, and again, it's something else we get criticized for. We try to make all of our stuff affordable, and we actually catch heat from that. Some folks saying you should be doing it. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen other courses out there. Folks be coming at our neck about that.
No,
so,
bottom. How about if you got more money to invest, you get to make more money?
Absolutely. Yep. Yeah. So that's it. Though 129, right? And even though it's 129 for our affiliates, you know how we get down because we want everybody to get money. Alain, what's up, brother? What's going on?
What's going on?
Listen, man, congrats.
Yeah, he be in there cooking with us.
Yeah, man, because he out here getting to the bag with us. I saw your post in the group, man. I want to say congratulations to you, good brother. Because the thing about when you learn the chart and when you learn some of these skills we're talking about on the MDC, the hold back challenge, and just when you're in a group sharing energy with like-minded folks, and you guys can network too. If you have a business, make sure you post about it. Let us know what you do. You know, we want you guys to network in there as well. These skills you could take with you forever.
Mhm.
Take with you forever. And that's what's ill. Because what's ill is I know traders that don't trade every day, but they can get in front of a computer, look at their charts, look at some news, and make a trade, and then walk away for 3 months. Like that's kind of
Yep.
you know what I'm saying. Getting added to the group itself was worth it. Rich, I appreciate you.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Yeah.
I've told a few people that, like, hey, if you already got the basic knowledge, I'm like, yo, get that precious metal joint and get in there.
Yeah,
Get in there.
Because listen, the MDC alone, the whole bag challenge alone, you could pay for every course that we got, literally.
Yeah, in one
It's
bag.
just so much value, man. It's so much value.
And the thing is, the university has grown. We got a shit ton of courses that we got. Man, let me show this real quick, Core.
Yeah, show the whole thing.
Because guys don't realize like what we building, like, and it's crazy, man. Hold on, let me pull this up real quick. So this is By the Hood University. If you go to bfbccd.com, right? So if you go there, we got Intro to Price Action. We got the Billionaire Babies Report Bundle. We got the Precious Metals, the Combo Course, Discover Your Options. We got a cryptocurrency, the 2 webinars, right, that we did earlier this year. Yo, each webinar costs $2.54. Seriously. Look, 6 steps to 7 figures, which is about how to combine real estate and the stock market into one investment. This one right here is a hands-on real estate developer training. Intro by itself. We also have our book, like the digital version as well as the hard version. So it's so many things going in there. But I'll say this too. We're not stopping there. It's a lot more to come. But as of right now, we want to focus on this intro to charting course because we feel like this will help you take your investing to the next level, because it's not just about trading. If you learn this, it can make you a better investor too.
The real estate course is coming. We've been slacking on our pimping because we have a real estate course that we got that's ready for us to go. But we, be honest, we just got dumb busy, and it is one of the things that's coming up really actually very, very soon.
Yeah, we got a couple real estate courses coming. We got a course on non-fungible tokens coming. So it's a lot of stuff that's being worked on. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, right now we want to focus on this course. But I want to say this though, I'm gonna get Lance weighing on this, because how has learning to chart and look at some of these metrics made you better with your long-term investments? That's what I want to ask you.
So with my long-term investments, I'm able to identify areas, or basically where a particular investment is in the market cycle. And that's something that I cover in the charting course as well, the 4 market phases. So I can determine the ideal entries for any given investment. So whether, instead of just being like, oh, Apple's a great company, let me just go ahead and buy it, I can be like, okay, I can look at things like, seasonality. I can look at, where's Apple in the market cycle? What kind of catalysts might be coming for Apple? What phase of the business cycle are we in the United States and globally? You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
And I can say, oh, well, Apple is selling off, and I've identified some a demand zone at such and such dollars. So I think that's where I'm going to enter. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Versus saying, oh, I'm gonna get in now while it's in the midst of selling off, and then it sell off, and I'm just I'm feeling some kind of way.
You're sitting there depressed now.
Right. And another thing is learning to read charts. It transcends assets. I can take my knowledge of charts and go read crypto charts. I can read Forex charts. A chart is a chart. You know what I'm saying? So it's not specific to stocks and options.
That's an amazing point, because that's also transferable, because I know that Russ studied with you and he took that and applied it all to crypto.
Yeah.
So that's dope. Kill.
Fred studied with her. He does Forex.
Yeah, how about that? He does Forex with the same thing. Yeah, I want to learn charting so I can use it to make my algebra lessons to my students more relevant when I'm teaching them scatter plots and y equals mx plus b and all that. Listen.
Yeah.
Yeah, we forgot about our Kill. Kill is a actual mathematician.
Yeah.
He has a business called All This Math. He did my son took studied underneath him, and my I ain't trying whatever. My son's in college. My son is 14 and he's in college, but Akil helped him when he was trying to pass his college statistics course. And my son listens to us, which is how he got to be 14 and in college. But it gets to a point where you get tired of looking at your parents and
Yeah.
and at that point, Akil took over, and boom, he went from a C, B student to instantaneous A because he had
Beautiful.
somebody like Akil to be able.
Yeah.
And Akil is in our group.
He's in a group. We have a black mathematician in our. We literally have a black mathematician in our group.
That's dope.
Get him. If you need your kids, listen. He does children. He does adults. He does. If you're in college, in school, and you're taking math, get with Akil.
Yeah, pretty much. And Mia, to answer your question, like I said, the way we did it is it's an ebook, right? So it's an ebook, it's videos, and it's also audio. So I see you say you're a tactile learner. I'm at to watch over and over. You could do that, but also you can just listen back. We found that sometimes when you take the audio files to these courses, although some things won't make sense if you're not looking at a chart, but by just listening to it, it actually helps you learn. So that's why we started, recently putting audio files with our courses for that reason. Now I know everybody's about to go steal our swag and do that, but it's okay. I'm waiting for the precious metals course to happen because that's going to happen too. But it's cool.
Oh, yeah.
It's cool. We was the first one with it. Dahlia says, how do I purchase precious metals? Go to buythehooduniversity.com. And you'll find it right there. Lance made pimping easy for real in that whole bag. Lance chart strong.
That's funny.
She said people are waiting for a real estate course. I am people. We heard that. I told a few people it's worth the money, but unfortunately, people sometimes don't want to invest in ourselves. Cassandra, listen, that's something that we deal with on a daily basis.
A $50,000, $7,500 investment in themselves, we can't help them.
Yeah, because that's the thing, though. If they're not willing to do that, then they ain't gonna do anything with it anyway. And we want to help the folks that really want. Something Corey told me a while ago, which was interesting, right? So, we filled a lot of phone calls, get a lot of inboxes, and people ask a lot of questions. So we're working 24/7. And sometimes I respond to emails and stuff in the middle of the night. They're like, yo, you responded already? Because we're working 24/7. But something that Corey pointed to me, the folks that ask the most questions in the group and even sometimes in the inbox, whatever, are the ones that are getting the most money. Right. Yep. So don't be afraid and don't think that any question is a dumb question or a bad question. Bring it to the group, because even if I can't answer it, Corey can answer it. Like I said, we literally have black geniuses in our group. You'll get an answer. You know what I'm saying? You will get an answer. So I say that to say this about Cassandra. Like you can't worry about that. Like, just keep plugging away. You'll find some folks that are willing, because when the pandemic happened, you better believe things shot up because folks realized that your job's not promised to you. So you better figure out a way to get some bread. You know what I'm saying? Dawn, listen, we appreciate you.
We appreciate everything you bring. You bring that good energy.
So, Quiz and You Speak question. What do you have to purchase to be added to the group? So not the webinars and not the book, but any of the courses. So if that's the crypto course, the options course, the new charting course, which just dropped today, 7:00. I'm gonna say it again. Precious metals or one of our stock market courses.
I mean, if you buy the report from Les, anything other than the book or the what the hell is that? The
real estate thing.
The two webinars.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Entries for earnings. Yeah, you could use it. You could use entries.
Yep.
You can use absolutely. Use it for anything. Charts cover human emotion. Yep. So charting in finance, it covers human emotion, and so you can cover human emotion across all spectrum.
Yep. And to answer your question, it's not a report, but what we have is that course, Intro to Charting. And that course will allow you to create your own report, believe it or not, because she's giving you the game on how to set actually, she walks through a video. It's a video in there where she walks through setting up a chart, from scratch. So it's pretty valuable information. Romaine, We appreciate that as well. And that's good to know about charts. Didn't know it could apply to crypto and others. Yeah, because the information doesn't change. The metrics, so a chart is a chart, like she said. So it can apply. So, thanks, fellas, all this math. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Okay, got it. Thank you. Absolutely. Yeah, make sure you guys go check that out. That's a fact, Cassandra. I'm gonna have to trick a few people into investing in themselves by saying I know where to get whole bags for cheap and they real.
That's the realest.
Yo, that's because folks don't believe it, man. Charts is here we got another chart guy pulled up.
Antonio.
Yeah, Antonio.
Antonio's another one of the chart guys. They like the X-Men. But
bouncing chart ideas off of one another and checking on each other work. That's amazing.
Yo, that is amazing. Like I love when that dude. Lance will bring something to the group and Antonio will give his opinion. Like, and folks don't even realize, like, yo, y'all should be paying for that. Like that's two chart guys, like, discussing certain things. But this comment is crazy. He said, I use charts to buy cars.
Hey, listen.
Crazy.
You can chart human behavior across all spectrums.
Right.
Oh, that's hilarious. I use charts to buy cars. So now I'm gonna have to test it out. I'm trying to pull up charts for all kinds of wild stuff. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to
just because.
Yeah, man. Oh man, I have a group that wants to learn crypto. What's the best way to accommodate using the BTHU team? So if you go to Buy the Hood University, we have a crypto course there. It's called Cryptocraft. But go ahead though.
No, we also we got Russ and Rich in Jim and other. We have a gang of people that's in crypto inside of there. Camille, Russell, Jim, Rich.
Mm-hmm.
It's like 10 people in there that's into crypto.
Yep.
It's like if you want it, it can get done. We have a course, but on top of the course, whatever else you want can get done.
Yeah. So just reach out to us, Terry, and we'll make sure that you're set up right. Thanks for answering. Y'all have me 3 courses on discount. Timer was right. I'll get this one too. Appreciate that. There's a high price in the market and a low price. I negotiate the Fibbo numbers.
Oh man, always looking for the mid price. Yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah, absolutely. So for the folks out there, I'm going to repeat this again because I see people coming in and leaving. So I want to make sure you guys know. We just released a new course this evening at 7 p.m. You know what I'm saying? So it's live at bfbccd.com right now. It's intro to charting and price action. So you know exactly when to jump in and out. But also it starts from the baseline. So if you don't have any knowledge about charting, you could take this, and when you're finished with this, your foundation is crazy. Yeah. Your foundation is crazy. So we have literally it's almost really becoming a university. We have intro to the stock market if you have no knowledge. Then you have valuation. Then you have like an intro to charting. Then you can work your way up to DYO, which is like all the heavy stuff. But that's the crazy part. I discovered something this week, right? I've been in the stock market for 2 decades. I discovered something this week that I told Corey that I feel like I discovered the contra code because.
We had that information at our fingertips for years, and the person gave us this information years ago.
Yeah, Spoon. Right. So, Lance, do you do any cover calls?
No, I haven't gotten into cover calls yet.
All right. So listen, cover calls is another level, but I got a level beyond that. Listen, man, I'm getting all 36 chambers down now, man. Or if I use another analogy, man, my Jedi mastery is getting to the next level. I'm not even going to break it all the way down, but I realize how to sell cover calls off of stock I don't even own. I'm gonna leave it at that. Okay. I found a way to literally go into the market and print money.
Yep.
And this comes from just politicking with folks in a group. You know what I'm saying? So, man, and when I share that information, when I fully flush it out and be able to write it out and do a video, and like I said, we don't put everything behind the paywall. Who knows? This might have to go behind the paywall. I ain't gonna lie to you, because this right here is next level, because this allows you to really write a cover call where you're selling the contract and you don't even own the stock. And I'm gonna leave it at that. But when I figured that out this week from testing, I was like, holy smokes.
Well, it's not actually Well, you own the stock, but it's similar to covered calls.
Yeah. So Antonio knows what I'm talking about because he's one of the folks that I ran it by. Like, hold up, how's this possible? But anyway, let's see what Adrian says here. Some of us are so scared to invest in themselves. I had a teeny bit in Bitcoin, and from Jimmy's not investment advice, I put some in Ethereum and paid for my Christmas gifts. That's what I'm talking about.
Fire.
I'm definitely learning from y'all, and I'm making a lot more investments in myself this year by the way of courses. Adrian, that's amazing, man. I'm glad to hear that. You listen. Matter of fact. Let me leave this up here real quick so I can screenshot this from my IG page because this is hard. Like, all right, so,
yeah.
All right, hold up. There we go. We good now. All right. Thank you, Adrian. I appreciate you saying that. Yeah, I mean, I'll black your name out so they don't know this, you saying it. I don't want nobody coming looking for the Christmas gift, but I appreciate the comment nonetheless. You know what I'm saying? See me likes I can get on IG with that. Just purchased the chart course. I'm super excited. I appreciate y'all putting this for me. Appreciate you. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the support. And
if y'all, those of you that purchased the chart course, or even the ones that got the free one tonight, if you guys have any questions, feel free to hit me up.
That's right.
Oh, inside about a hood group, somebody will answer it.
The chart guy don't put. Listen, y'all you guys don't realize that it costs to speak to Lance. So,
and for the record, I know how much it costs to speak to Lance because
you paid the ticket.
When I was first learning, listen, y'all call her the chart guy. She helped to teach me fundamentals. I literally sat down and paid for a class on fundamentals. And so I know how much it costs because I paid the cost.
Yo, I tell folks that now. I'm like, what I paid Jay Johnson for DYO is not what y'all paying. I paid to sit down with Jay. Like
hours of time with Lance to teach me fundamentals. So that'll tell you how good she is in the game. She didn't teach me the charting because I couldn't understand the charting if she, like, literally, my eyes won't see it correctly. I don't want to do charts, but when I look at charts, my eyes start to get crossed and I start catching a headache. There's nothing to do with the actual charts. I need to learn this, but like I said, me and my therapist got to have a session before I can get into
Dahlia, the course is live right now. Go to bodyhooduniversity.com. You can find it there.
Listen, she's the reason.
Listen, I'm going to spill it. I'm going to spill it eventually, but I have to make sure I'm communicating it the right way because honestly, it's not simple. So I want to make sure I communicate it the right way. I'm not trying to get nobody caught up. And as Adrian says in my non-investment advice,
Wu-Tang.
Listen, here's the thing, right? When you start to study like money, how money moves, how money works, you feel like you've been lied to your whole life, and that's the truth. I'll be looking out for the next course as well. Cover calls. Listen, we got all kinds of stuff coming. First hose. Now we get naked.
All kinds of everything. yeah, we're gonna flush it out.
Listen though, for the folks that have already purchased, we appreciate you. Make sure you guys go check this out, and if just share it with somebody. Like do us that solid. Share this course because we want to make sure we start to move some of these courses. Lance will make herself available. She's in by the Hood University. You could tag her in there. You know what a holdback challenge is. Take some of them holdback challenge games and go by the course, right? Because listen, here's what I want you to do. Take your holdback challenge games, buy the course, come up with your own challenge based upon you learning how to chart, right? And bring that to the group too, because we want to have as many challenges and many things going on. Yeah, we want everybody to eat. Everybody got to eat. As Mike Tyson and Cannabis would say, eat. But listen, Lance, I just want to say thank you for your time, man, because I know, like I said, it costs to speak to you, man, and you pulled up with us. You did this course with us. Your family forever, and we want to continue to build with the folks, and that's what we about, building together as a family. No drama, no none of that nonsense. Like,
absolutely.
So even other professionals that are within the group, man, hit us up, man, and we'll get some product out there because it's a lot of knowledgeable folks in a lot of different spaces, and we should be sharing that knowledge. Go ahead, Core.
We forgot about Tone, the sleep well at night investments.
That's coming soon.
No, he already.
Oh, you talking about Antonio? You talking about Antonio?
Antonio Eubanks. He has a back-tested strategy that has beat the market by 800% over time.
Oh my God.
Tested.
Yeah.
Well at night strategies. Listen, the thing is, his pricing is crazy. It costs $8 a month.
Yeah. And and that's like it's Swan, and Swan is sleep well at night. So he showed you how to pick things where you don't have to even worry about it. You sleep well at night,
Buy it and forget about it.
Yeah, so yeah, man, we got a lot of fire people, man.
Yeah,
Man. So Mario said, "What is this HB challenge? I'm late to the party." Mario, I don't know whether you're within our private group or not, which is By the Hood University, but we have what's known as the whole bag challenge. Where you send for lack of a better term, you send a young lady out an evening, although the young lady is a stock in this scenario, and by the morning she brings you your money back, right? She goes out with a whole bag.
Yeah, Mario knows about the whole bags. I just don't think he caught wind of the challenge. But yeah, he definitely knows.
Okay, okay, Mario, you know about the whole bags then. You already get into it. That's what's up. Listen, use your income to buy assets. Use OPM to buy so. Hey, listen, buy future income. That's what Corey's shirt say. Hey, we got merch too. Buy future income. That's one of them.
Right.
Dion, we appreciate that. 129 for Lance. That's what we want to do. We want to make sure we provide value at an affordable price because we're not trying to because we could have charged $1,000 for this. I ain't gonna hold you. But at the end of the day, like 129, get it in y'all hands and let's go. So Adrian, we appreciate you, man. Lance chart game. Listen, from one chart guide to another chart guide,
Antonio.
Man.
Right. I appreciate you.
Yeah. So my brother Tyrone Q speaks so highly of all three of y'all. I'm excited to be free to listen. Like we're gonna get you in our group too, and let's get to it. Let's get to it. See me, you forgot the email already. You can inbox me or the email. The email is bythehoodllc@gmail.com. I'll get these courses to you this evening. I promise you that. Like once we get off here, because I got my phone is going crazy because folks want to know what's going on with this course. So I'm gonna get to y'all, but yeah, man. Course just dropped today, man. This is crazy, man. How are you gonna 10x your money? Yeah. So anyway, man, buythehooduniversity.com. You see the intro to the charting course. You all will have the course for those that have purchased it, and for those that we got it free, you'll all have it this evening. But Corey, man, we not belabor the point. It's past 8:00. You got anything you want to say before we get out of here, good brother?
No, I think we should continue in the comments because we have some questions and stuff in the comments that we.
All right. Let's see. Let's see let's see what more comments we got.
807.
It said my gains from the whole bag challenge is paying for my crypto class. There you go.
That's
how it's supposed to go. I'm really hanging where the money resides. Let's get to it.
Let's get to it.
This community alone is worth the price of admission. I've been accepted with open arms, and they're all fire. Hold on, let's pause this one too, though. This is definitely going on the page. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna pause this one too. This is an IG right here. Try to get my likes up, yo.
Yo, listen.
Make sure you follow us on IG too at By the Hood.
Up there too, because my thing is we could talk about it, but my thing is we could talk about our own community all we want to, right? The thing is, it's all of us doing this. This is not just us, because if it was just us two, it would be limited to our knowledge. That's the whole reason why we wanted to create a community. It's not limited to our knowledge. So that means everybody can eat. It's actually it's people coming together to help other people. It's not just like By the Hood is not just Jimmy and Corey.
Not at all.
Every person that's in there that's actually putting their time and their efforts into people. Jay Johnson has been our partner from day one.
Yep.
Jay has been our partner from day one. Jay Johnson, he taught both of us how to get into the game in the space that we're in. He got me to the point where I can teach other people and help them make money. I've never read a chart. Like I said, I got my issues with charts. I still can help you get to a bag because I understand where the money resides. I know market cycles and all of the other stuff. I know fundamentals. I can get to the fundamental side of anything, especially in the market. But what makes me proud about our community is that the people in there share. Like nobody's holding out for an extra 50 cents. Like we're not doing that. Like we're not holding out for an extra 50 cents.
No,
like, the thing is, if we say hold on, it's because we're trying to back test it and make sure that we ain't putting nobody in harm's way.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
And that's the only reason we I hinted at a couple of things. The only reason we didn't do anything is because we want to make sure that it's fully fleshed out, and that we can explain it in a good way. You know what I mean? But like I said, there's so many gems in there. The video the video I gave y'all about precious metals this week, that's worth the price. First of all, if you get that, and for those who watch know what I'm talking about, that's probably worth more than what you paid for the course right there. So Dion has a question. Antonio, I know you in the comments too. It says, what's your web address? She's interested in what you got going on with Swan. So Dion and Antonio, make sure you guys connect. Mario. When is the whole bag coming?
Yeah, we got to get that out on the streets right away.
Right. Adrian says, Swan, where's that at? Stop taking my money. Listen, Adrian, you got to use these strategies to make money. It's going to pay for anything. It's going to pay for anything, man. Yeah, man. So,
alert.
Yo, man, y'all are hilarious, yo. But the whole bag merch definitely got to come soon, man. We got to get them whole bag. We got to get the whole bags. Matter of fact, yo, we should make some bags that say whole bag.
Oh man.
Oh man. Listen, folks, we appreciate your support. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you go take a look at the course. Make sure you get the course. And if you are an affiliate, like I said, you can push the course and make money yourself with the course. You could do that, then pay for your own course. See what I'm saying? So there's all kinds of ways that you can use this to utilize it to make money. Our special announcement was this new course that we are partnered with the chart guy, Lance. Make sure you check out everything Lance has going on, because Lance has our own platform as well. And like I said, it costs to speak to Lance, so you guys got to understand that. And Antonio was putting a little bit of information out there. I want to make sure I show this. It's not a course, it's an alert service. The group is on Facebook, Swan Investing Strategies. The MDC plays alone will play for all the course. This is absolutely true, dog. Anybody who's followed the MDC, like, you should be able to buy every course we got. So
yeah, he made a
this is hilarious. Got my $40 ready. Yo, the whole back shirt's got to be $40. Like, they gotta be $40. They gotta be $40. Mario, thanks for the We're going to send us the invoice for your marketing. $40 whole bag tees. That is hilarious. Yo,
amazing.
Yo, I love our community, yo, because y'all also got jokes, which is amazing too.
All day.
Yo, the whole bag challenge itself, yo. Around 3:45, I go down to see what memes and gifts y'all using.
It's hilarious.
Yeah,
you can just be entertained by reading the thread, man.
Exactly.
Yeah, if you don't even want no money, you just want to be a lazy bum, just come hang out on the thread and just laugh.
Oh man. So listen, like I said, go check out the course. Intro to price action and charting. Make sure you get with us. Make sure you check everything that Lance has going on. At BH Capital Enterprises. We said
get an affiliate code. Make some money. Bring your family. We bring your family through. Bring your friends through. Like, don't get money by yourself. We're building a family over here, but I know you got friends and family that you want to eat with too. Bring them. Let them eat with you.
Bring your family, Corey. You gotta understand that when you say family. No, man. Let me chill. Let me not say nothing off the wall. But all I'm saying is, for those that are a member of the community and have purchased the course, you all probably will receive an email once you purchase the course. But if you never check your email, because some folks never check their email, you do have the ability to become an affiliate and make money with us by selling our courses, right? So in those courses are precious metals, both for stock market courses, as well as this new course with Lance. So with that being said, Lance, you got any final words you want to say to the folks before we get out of here?
No, man, I'm grateful for the opportunity. I'm grateful to have you guys to partner with you guys. I've been pre-pandemic, I was trying to find some time to get out there and roam the streets of Philly with y'all, but it is what it is.
We still gonna make that happen. We gonna definitely make that happen.
For sure. But definitely appreciate y'all all the time. And like you said, Jimmy, family forever. So
that's right. That's right.
Forever, ever.
And here's an idea. Antonio says, make it a Tupperware party. You buy it and sell it to your friends. Listen, we could do them on Zoom. Funny thing is, we actually do Zoom calls with families. Like, we don't mind doing that either. Because we're mission focused. Like, we're focused on the mission, so therefore we will do a Zoom with your family. And if you're an affiliate, once we've done the Zoom and they want to buy something, you give them your affiliate code. So that's a whole other way for you to get your Zoom hustle on. You know what I'm saying? But for the folks out there, I want to say thank you for chiming in with us this Friday. Thanks for all the hilarious comments during our trivia. For the folks that won the course, I'm gonna get on that right away. And for the folks that purchased the course, I'll make sure you guys all got your courses and you get added to the group. You know what I'm saying? They're scared to lose money in the pandemic, so they isn't sure. Oh well. Listen,
they about to get STEMI. They about to get new STEMI.
When that STEMI hit the streets, tell them, listen, they gotta get this charting course, because people say they're not sure what's going to make money. The stock market's been making millionaires and billionaires for like before any of us will be here, and before all of us after all of us are gone. So it is what it is, man. They participating anyway, but just as consumers. So but eventually they'll come to you when they start to see you floss, Adrian. That's when they're gonna come to you.
When you put on your chinchilla in the middle of the summertime, they'll come to you. That's all.
Yeah, when you pull up to the barbecue, like
pull up to the barbecue in a chinchilla. That's all. That's it. You go and tell them where you got the money from. Tell them you got the money out the market.
You looking like Denzel in American Gangster, but you do it in the middle of the summertime. They would say, looking like Frank Lucas. You're gonna pull up like Frank Lucas in the middle of the summertime. That's when they're gonna want to know what's going on. You're gonna say it's all from the charting course.
Doing the absolute most
with the whole bag T-shirt on. So anyway, listen, thank you guys. We appreciate y'all. We appreciate everybody in the community. We love and appreciate you. We will talk to you within that community. And thank you as always. And we will be back. As a matter of fact, we have a current podcast out with Mojo. Mojo is the queen of container homes. She works in the real estate industry, but specifically with container homes. Go check out that episode. It's on our YouTube channel, all podcast platforms. Here's another secret. This upcoming Wednesday, we have an interview with another chart god, a chart god who is trained by this chart god. John McLaughlin sat down with us for an interview. They talk about everything he's got going on. So that's coming up next Wednesday on About a Hood podcast. So we're still putting out podcasts every week, even in the middle of building this university and building this community. We still will make sure that our podcast
representation is always going to matter. Man,
and some of these upcoming guests that we got, all I'm gonna say is stay tuned, yo. So Mia, you're right. Our Sunday class is like church. So we'll see you in church this Sunday. Yeah, I mean, waiting to get this in my gum road. I have a few folks need. You'll have it within this evening, Dawn. You'll get access to all of it. Yeah, I mean, everything will be live for all the people with affiliate codes. You will have it within the next hour. So, check out your gum road. But we appreciate you. See, for the guys and people in the group, we'll see you Sunday, right? So we'll see you Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday. We're gonna, run in and out some plays, and we'll see you then. Love and appreciate y'all. Peace.
Have a good night, y'all.